What's up, tribe? It's Tseju here with another video, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 new cool gadgets that you need to see in 2019. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video.
In today's world, technology is constantly evolving and new products are emerging. Yet, most people still listen to music using traditional headphones or earphones. We wanted to bring you a new way to listen to music with the most advanced technology. The next step of listening to music is now here. Introducing ZEROi, a hat with built-in bone conduction technology that is wireless and hands-free. The battery, PCB, on-off switch, and LED light are located in the bill of the cap. ZEROi uses bone conduction technology that sends vibrations into the skull and directly into your eardrums. The bone conducting speakers fit snugly, offering enhanced clarity of sound. ZEROi uses Bluetooth technology that allows you to listen to music and answer phone calls, and it's all put together into the simplicity of a hat. It has a built-in microphone, so you can answer calls instantly without the need of an extra headset or earphones. ZEROi brings you high-quality sound that is comparable to listening to music through stereo systems. With 4 bone conduction speakers compared to the usual 2 of our competitors, this allows you to listen to music more clearly. When using ZEROi, you'll have free range to conveniently listen to the clear and crisp sound without blockage of your earphones. But at the same time, external noise is audible for safety reasons when you may be cycling or jogging outside. ZEROi has a detachable magnetic connector that can be easily managed with one hand, and the connector protects your charging port from damage. With a built-in LED light, you will know when your ZEROi is fully charged.
LUZMAG is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings. And if you happen to leave something behind, the LUZMAG app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. LUZMAG's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. LUZMAG's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The LUZMAG team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is LUZMAG's main mission. When LUZMAG is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place. All of these functions are supported by LUZMAG's TSA-approved, lightweight, removable smart box, ensuring a full day's charge for all of your devices. LUZMAG allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The wireless charging pocket allows you to charge your phone on the go without slowing you down. LUZMAG is where perfection and innovation meet. Get rid of stress with the most innovative backpack.
You got to let it go.
What if your smartphone could do something more? something you never imagined a phone could do. Well, we've done it. We've taken your smartphone and made it fly. There's an entire realm that has never been tapped by a smartphone until now. Introducing Phone Drone ETHOS, the first and only device that allows your smartphone to access the third dimension. With Phone Drone ETHOS, we've leveraged the sensor, processor, and wireless capability of your smartphone. What you get is a powerful, cloud-connected aerial vehicle at a fraction of the cost of a typical drone. ETHOS doesn't even require two phones. Just use a single device and set your mission. Or you can tether it to another device for real-time control and FPV.
This is the Igloohome Smart Padlock. It may look normal, but it'll do what other padlocks cannot. Enable smarter, instant remote access. It's designed to make everyday life easier and more secure. Nothing's more secure than a lock, right? At least not until you lose the key or forget the combination. It's such a hassle to get replacement keys or call an expensive locksmith to break it open. Well, there are already Bluetooth padlocks out there, but unlocking usually requires an additional app download and account registration. Not so easy. That's why we've developed the Igloohome Smart Padlock. It's versatile and user-friendly. And there's no need to download an app to receive access. You can securely receive a code via text or messenger. As an owner, you can easily grant time-sensitive access directly from the Igloohome app. And you can do this wherever you are.
Hi, I'm Matthew. As Airbnb hosts ourselves, we started Igloohome to make smart locks and lock boxes that would provide our guests with easy and secure ways to enter our rental properties. Since then, we've gone on to win awards for our design and technology, which has been rolled out in over 80 countries and counting. We're now launching a smart padlock focused on sharing access and everyday use.
The Igloohome Smart Padlock is jam-packed with features. Remote deployability is built around the Igloohome PIN code algorithm. A similar system is used by banks and in RSA tokens, so it's very secure.
Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, LUMO. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza, Chinese.
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, LUMO. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.